Lily, what's the matter? What's the matter, Lily? Did you hear a scary sound? What happened? What happened? What happened? Where is it? Where's that smoke detector? It's okay, buddy. What's the matter? Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see him shaking. He got his paw up. He's getting all nervous. Now he's going to start panting. It's okay. Poor animal. There's no curing this dog of this either. He's just scarred for life. He's afraid of thunderstorms and he's afraid of anything that chirps. That includes the toaster oven bell, the smoke detector alarm, low battery indicator, and also if you squeak a fork against the plate.